It's Paul Jackson's woodpecker.
Oh, because I used to watch her
It's
YouTube
cute.
videos all the time.
Bradley brought some things to share though. So, want to ask Bradley, he went to Paul Jackson's seminar last week. So I asked him to bring, anyone who went, to share what they learned, some of the stuff. So we're going to take a little break from folding just to watch and see, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do next.
Okay.
Paul Jackson gave a workshop last week at the Japanese American Museum.
Indeed.
So, Bradley.
I'll pull up what I have. Okay, so Paul Jackson, as he said, is a designer, and his makes no apology for breaking all the rules of origami. He has no problem with that at all, because he's really into advancing the design and the craft and the education and brain science and education and designers and all that. So it's very, very inspirational for him. He had an exhibition at the Japanese American Museum for celebration of the Japan Week, I guess they called it.
Okay.
The whole conference and exhibition and all. A number of different works by himself and his wife also had some beautiful pieces in there, and a bunch of other people whose work is either very closely inspired by his or just generically beautiful. One of the pieces he showed, and there had several very large examples, he is known for pleats. And he has two really great books. One is called Origami for Designers, and the other one is called Complete Pleats. And so pleating, and you see some of the Korean books on these very intricate spiral designs, that sort of thing. Pleating paper, like these long strips, work really well. So one of the pieces he showed was an example. Okay, so I have regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and we've worked with 8.5 by 11 or kami, and this is the result. And the rule breaking here is that there is a cut in here, which I will show you, but this is not difficult to do and takes about 5 minutes or so. So I can take you through creating this. This is one from just plain paper, and then I just went back because I realized you can't see through it, so I colored this side so that you could see it. And he had examples where he had photographs of his hands, very large, high resolution photos of his hands, and then he had these pleats, and then when you look at parts of the photograph are missing, but you still see the picture, or you see his face, or whatever it was. So it was a very inspirational thing. And then he did a workshop on this exact technique. He took us all through, and that was the primary function of the workshop. It was about 2 hours to talk about the principles and all that in pleating. So if you would like to fold that, I can take us through that.
Do people want to fold that?
Yes.
Even with scissors?
Yep.
Yes.
We have scissors, thank you.
Got
I have some
extra
scissors here. So to do it, you'll
have paper.
Yeah, exactly. Just some 8.5 by 11, or you can use
Let's use the 8.5 by 11.
Yeah, it would be better. So I'm just gonna.
Do we need a paper cutter or is
We do not need a paper cutter. Just take a sheet and pass it.